Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. While starting this machine component, I will start with this sketch. Then I will extrude up to the length of 80. Then we'll start doing the material removal process. These two holes and this slot, key slot and this hole. Now we'll model this component step by step. This is the final object of our model. It will look like this. Now we'll learn how to model this component using Creo Parametric. Go to File, Close, go to New, Part Solid, and take this Use Default Template. Say OK. Our model unit is in mm, so choose mm. Just say OK. I'm switching on all the planes. For easy creation of the model, I'm just keeping software this side. Now we'll start creating model. First, select the plane, sketch, sketch view. I am putting a center line for making symmetry. Here you see height is 32 and this also be 32. Just take a rectangle, make it symmetric, both are equal, give the equal constraint. Go to change the dimension to 32, go to fit screen. Now create this outer circle with a radius of 10. Take a circle. The radius is 10 means the diameter is 20. And the total height is 36 plus 20. Go to dimension. From center point to bottom edge, the distance is 36 plus 20. Now take a line, just connect it here, make a tangent connection. Similarly connect it here, make a tangent connection. Press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now remove the unwanted edges by using a delete segments. Now the pink color indicates that the sketch is completely closed. Now just say OK, go to extrude, rotate the object. Now change this into a symmetric. The total extrusion length is 18. Now press the roller to confirm. Now we have created a solid model. Now we'll remove start doing a remove process one by one. First we'll create this cut. Select this midplane, sketch view. Take a reference. Then close, take a rectangle, don't make any constraints. First make this into a symmetric. Now the total length is, here they specified, from the center of the circle to 12. From here to here is, it's a radius of the circle is a 10. So 12 plus 10, 22. Then total width to be removed is 7. Now just say OK. Extrude. Just go to the options. Material removal. One side to next. Other side also to next. Just press the roller to confirm. Now we have created this slot. Then we will create this hole. Select the surface. Sketch view. Take a reference of the circle. Then close. Take a circle. The circle diameter is, here they specified 10. There is a 2 holes. Just say OK. Extrude. Change the direction. Make sure you are going through all. It will create a 2 holes. Then we will create this slot. Select the surface. Sketch view. Now take a circle. The circle diameter is, here they specified 15, and the distance from here is center is 20. Here they have given dimension. This distance is 20. Now make a key slot. Take a rectangle. This one is a symmetric rectangle. Now the width only required to specify, that is 4. Now remove the unwanted edges. Go to delete segments. This one as well as this one. Now the dimensions are done. Just say OK. Extrude. Change the direction to next. Say OK. Then select the surface. Sketch. Sketch view. Reference. Then close it. Take a circle. This distance is 7. Here the circle diameter is 7. Say OK. Extrude. Change the direction. Make it through all. Say OK. Now the complete sketch is done. This is our model. Now just go for the view, appearance, any appearance we can give. Press the control and select the multiple surfaces. Say OK. Like that we can color. This is our final object. In this tutorial we have learned how to model this component using Creo Parametric. If you like this video, please share to your friends. In next tutorial we'll do with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.